Me too. I love it. It's sort of like you never see it.
I know.
It's
very
like
uncommon.
I always
Especially
run
in
into like
Angie.
fakes and I always get nervous around other dogs because you never know.
We got attacked
Stacey.
yesterday in a Goodwill.
Leave it.
Sit.
He gets that still excited wag in his tail when he's still working on it. But thank you. It's so hard to find like teams in like where I live. It's so nice to know I have someone my age like around here.
Oh yeah, I went into Firehouse Pet Shop not too long ago.
Yeah,
and
I
met
go
a bunch
there
of
all the
girls.
time. Yeah, I know a few handlers. So cool. She's so well behaved, or she.
Yeah, I've had
Stay.
her for 4 years now. We got her from the pound around here.
Focus. Yes.
I love running into other service dog teams.
It
is so nice.
It's so calming and like
being the only
relaxing.
one out there. I know. And
Because you
running
run into so
teams
many
that
other
don't wanna
fake
attack
teams.
you, oh,
Yeah.
Really nice.
So well behaved. Focus.
So one of the
Focus.
miniature or the small
Right here. Right here, see?
What kind of dog?
Good boy. He's a Welsh Corgi, Cardigan, Papillon, Shetland Sheepdog mix.
Gorgeous. That's her weakness right there. Is like 2 different breeds.
I love labs. They're beautiful. Quincy, heel. Leave it. Leave it. Good boy. Yes. That was awesome. Back up. That was so cool. I never run into actual teams. Focus. Zero focus. Yes. Zero got excited, but he held his stage. You did so good. Oh my gosh, I'm like shaking because I'm so excited. Yes, good boy. You did so good. Yes, good boy. Good job. I'm like shaking. I'm so excited. I didn't know there's no handlers around here ever, and running into one is like amazing. So I didn't plan on recording our little trip to the mall, but that was too good to not share with you guys. So yeah, it's really nice running into service dog teams, the legitimate ones at least. So I'm probably gonna head out of the mall after doing a few more training sessions. Good boy. Leave it. Good job. Sorry for the shaky video. I'm like overstimulated with what just happened. But that was a really amazing experience for me in Zero, training wise. Oh, wait up, baby. Good boy. Focus. See? Focus. You are a little almost overstimulated too, babies. Ice. Thank you. Good boy. Yep. He's a little excited. Leave it. Good boy. Focus. Z. Focus. Good boy. Yes, good job. Sit. Stay. Good boy. Down. Lie down. Z, lie down. Good boy, stay. Thank you so much. Yes, good job. Good boy. We're getting lots of compliments today with how cute Zero is. Focus. Good boy. Yes. Ice right here. Good job. Good boy. Very good. Good boy. Probably gonna sit down because I'm like super excited and probably need to lower my heart rate. Either one could be bad experience or a good experience that can raise your heart rate. Either one. But either one, gotta take action to lower it. So we're gonna do some pressure real quick. Zero alerted to my heavy breathing and my anxiety because I was shaking. But I think we're gonna end the video here. But yeah. See you guys next time. Bye.